Factors and multiples. Divisibility. We already learned divisibility of a number by 2, 5 and 10 in previous grade. Let us learn the divisibility of 3, 4, 6, 9 and 11. Divisibility by 3. In a number, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, look at this number. The sum of the digits of this number is 9, which is a multiple of 3. Thus, this number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. In a number, if the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, look at this number. The last two digits is 32, which is divisible by 4. Thus the number is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. For example, look at this number. The number is an even number and so it is divisible by 2. Also, the sum of digits is 9, which is a multiple of 3. Therefore, the number is a multiple of 6. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, look at this number. The sum of the digits is 18, which is a multiple of 9. Thus, the number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. If the difference of sum of the digits at alternate places is 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For example, look at this number. We add the first set of alternate numbers 2 and 0, which gives 2. Then we add the second set of alternate numbers 9 and 4, which gives 13. If we subtract these two numbers, we get 11. Since 11 is divisible by 11, the number 2904 is divisible by 11. Factors. A number is considered to be a factor of another number if it divides the other number completely without leaving a remainder. For example, let us find all the factors of 8. Since 8 is divisible by 1, 8, 2 and 4 completely, therefore the factors of 8 are 1, 8, 2 and 4. Prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a whole number that only has two factors, that is, 1 and the number itself. A composite number has more than two factors. Is 12 a prime number? Let us find the factors of 12 and check this. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, 12 is not a prime number. It is a composite number as it has more than two factors. Common factors. The factors that are common between any given set of numbers are known as common factors. Let us find the common factors of 18 and 32. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So, common factors are 1 and 2. Prime factorization. Prime factorization expresses a number as the product of its smallest prime numbers. These prime factors can evenly divide the number without leaving any remainder. Factor tree method. The factor tree method is a way to find the prime factorization of a number by breaking it down into its prime factors. Let us factorize 48 using the factor tree method. Prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Long division method. In the long division method of prime factorization, we repeatedly divide a number by its smallest prime factors until the quotient is a prime number. Let us factorize 240 using the long division method. Prime factorization of 240 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Highest common factor. The highest common factor is the greatest number that evenly divides the given numbers, leaving no remainder. We will learn to find the highest common factor using two methods. 1. Division method. Let us find the HCF of 18 and 30 by using the division method. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. Step 2. Divide the first divisor by the first remainder. Step 3. Divide the second divisor by the second remainder. Step 4. The remainder is 0. Thus, this is the highest common factor of the numbers 30 and 18. Prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 36 and 48 using the prime factorization method. These are the factors of 36. These are the factors of 48. The common factors of both are 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will multiply all the common factors to get the HCF. Thus, HCF of 36 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Common multiples. Multiples that are common to two or more numbers are known as their common multiples. Find the first three common multiples of 4 and 8. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So the first three common multiples are 8, 16, and 24. The least common multiple of 4 and 8 is 8. Finding least common multiple using division method. Let us find the least common multiple of 18 and 24 by using the division method. Divide 18 and 24 and find the factors. LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Finding least common multiple using prime factorization method. Let us find the least common multiple of 9 and 15. Prime factors of 9 is equal to 3 times 3. Prime factors of 15 is equal to 3 times 5. The highest common factor of 9 and 15 is 3. This is the relation of HCF and LCM. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 equals to 45.